Are you tired of sacrificing precious moments with your loved ones? I squandered too many precious hours in the relentless pursuit of financial gain, forsaking everything else that truly matters. Have you? I know how you feel. However, we need not endure the agony of working ceaselessly when our hearts yearn for the company of those we hold dear. With our help, you can easily learn new skills of digital marketing to set up your online business and spend more time enjoying your favorite activities and hobbies with your loved ones. Do you want to learn about the new power of digital marketing? I can show you ways to start an online business even though you may not have a product of your own. You may ask yourself, do I have the technical skills? You're on the internet already, so that is enough. You may feel you don't have enough time to start your own business. You can do this part-time. You may feel you're too old to learn new skills. Never true. You may think you don't have the money. You can set up your online business while you're still working your current job. I know how you feel. I felt that way too. But now I have learnt the skills of digital marketing and set up my own online business. You can even easily set up your online business to run on autopilot, so you don't have to spend all your time on the internet posting articles. Click on the blue button to my right for PC or somewhere around this video for mobile and we'll get started. Share your contact details and I'll send you free, insightful videos directly to your inbox immediately, so you can discover ways to set up your online business from scratch or show you ways to enhance your current business to bring you a passive income so you can retire with financial security and time freedom. Picture this: the blissful embrace of laughter and joy, surrounded by the warm company of family and friends, while the sun-kissed waters of a luxury resort beckon you to indulge in leisurely relaxation. It's a life you yearn for, isn't it? Quality time with loved ones. Retirement with time freedom and financial security. Exotic travels. Whatever your heart desires, click the blue button and embark on your journey. Time waits for no one. Time is a valuable commodity. Don't let it pass you by. Act now and prevent future regret. If you wait in a few years, you'll be in the same dark place you don't want to be. Do it now. Click on the blue button and let's start now.